Hello friends, welcome to another video of Mr. Maths. Today I am going to read your mind. Surprised. I am going to read your mind through a game. Okay? This is actually a game I found online. Okay? The link is already given in the description box. You can go through that game and you can play it. Okay? Now, let's start this game, right? Okay? You can see here there is a big circle and there are so many numbers and there are so many symbols are there. Okay. Now how to play this game I will explain. It is already written here. You can see that. Choose any two-digit number. You have to add the two digits. Okay. You can select any two-digit number. Okay. You can select any two-digit number. Then you add the digit. Okay. Then that sum you have to subtract from the original number. Okay, that sum you have to subtract from the original number. Then what is the final answer you are getting? Okay, that answer will be a value. That value will be there in the list of numbers, right? Okay, it will be there in the list of number. So in front of that number there will be a symbol. Okay, so look into that symbol for some time, just for 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Okay, just keep that symbol in your mind. Then what you have to do? You have to come to this bigger circle and you have to click on that circle. Okay, that circle will show you that symbol what is there in your mind. That is what the game. Okay, now let's start the game. Okay, now we are going to test by taking different numbers. Let's make 5 trials. Let's see whether it reads our mind or not. Okay, we will take randomly some number. Okay, I'm going to select the number. Later you can do yourself by clicking on that link. Okay, you can do yourself. Let us take a number 26. Okay, so 26 minus 2 plus 6 is 8. 26 minus 8, the value is 18. See, where is the number 18? Yeah, here it is. Okay, you can see there is a number 18. You can see that, right? Okay, so in that number 18, in front of that there is a symbol. It looks like some n. Okay, in front of that 18 there is a symbol called n. Okay, almost like n. Okay, now look into that symbol just for 5 seconds. Keep that symbol in your mind. Okay, now let's come to this circle, bigger circle. Okay, I am going to click on that circle now. Okay, see, I clicked on that circle. That symbol? Same symbol it showed, right? Okay, now let's play it again. Let us take a number 49. Okay, so 49 minus, what is the sum? 4 plus 9, it is 13. So 49 minus 13, it is 36. So see the number 36 where it comes? Yeah, here it is. In front of 36 you can see there is a symbol like a ball. Okay, now look into that symbol. Look into that symbol. Okay, keep that in your mind. Now look into this circle. I am going to click on that circle now. Okay, see what it shows? Exactly that ball, right? I clicked on that circle. It shows that ball. Now, let's try again. Let us take a bigger number. For example, 96. Okay, 96. So 9 plus 6 is 15. So 96 minus 15 will be 81. Now, see that number 81 where it is? Yeah, in front of that 81, there is a flower-like symbol is there. You can see that, right? In front of 81, there is a flower-like symbol. Okay, concentrate on that symbol. See that symbol only. Okay, keep that in your mind. Now let's come to this circle. I'm going to click on that circle. See which symbol it comes? Yes, exactly the same symbol, right? Okay, exactly the same symbol. I clicked on that. Now again, one more time. Let us take a number 55. Okay, let us take a number 55. So 55 minus 5 plus 5, it is 10. Okay, so answer will be 45. So in front of 45, what we have? You can see that symbol. Okay, it looks like a circle, right? That symbol, it looks like a circle. Okay, see that symbol. Concentrate for 5 seconds. Keep that symbol in your mind. Now come to the circle. I am going to click on that circle now. Okay, see the same symbol came. Okay. Okay, as I said before, you can go to that link. Okay, you can play this game any number of times. You can play this game, you can see that whatever the number you are getting in front of that, there will be a symbol, and that symbol you have to think in your mind, right? Okay, it should be stored in your mind, and that will be read by this circle. Okay, and that circle will show you that symbol exactly. Okay, how this game reads your mind? What is the working principle behind this game? Is it a magic? No, it doesn't read your mind actually. Behind this game, purely a mathematical technique is there. Okay, I am going to explain that. You can see here the numbers are arranged from 0 to 99, right? All are two digit number, 0 to 99, it is properly arranged. And all the symbols, they are completely random symbol, right? They are completely random. Whenever you play again and again, what will happen? The symbols are randomly arranged. Okay, the set of symbol what you have now in front of you, okay, it will not be there in the next game. It will be completely different. Now, how you play this game? Let us come to the procedure of the game. You have to take any two digit number, you have to add the digit, then you have to subtract from the main number, right? Okay, do you know, if you take any two digit number, if you add the digits and if you subtract that value from the original number, you will get a value, right? After subtraction, that value will be always a multiple of 9. Okay, it's always a multiple of 9. You can see that. Okay, I will give you some example. Let us take a number 58. Okay, so 58 minus 5 plus 8, it is 13. Okay, so 58 minus 13, so what is the answer? 45. 45 is a multiple of 9. Let us take another number 32. 32 minus 3 plus 2, that is 5. Okay, so 32 minus 5, it is 27. So it is a multiple of 9. Take another number 75. 75 minus 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, what is the answer? It is 63. 63 is a multiple of 9. Like this, if you take any two digit number, you can see that if you do all these calculation like what they have said, final answer what you are getting will be always a multiple of 9. Okay, so they use this logic, okay, to read your brain. I will tell you how it is happening. See, as I told you, they will arrange all the symbol in front of the number. The arrangement of numbers will not change. The symbols are only changing. Whenever you play each and every game, the entire symbols are completely changing, but they will keep uniformity in the multiples of 9. Okay, they will keep uniformity in the multiples of 9. All the multiples of 9 will have same symbol. For example, see here. Okay, see the numbers 9. See multiples of 9 here, here, 27. See. Till 81 it will go. Okay. So after that there will be no multiples of 9s are there, but it is not required, because always if you do this calculation, the final answer that you are getting will be always less than 90. Okay, so that is the reason they didn't use the same symbol is not used in 90. You can see that in 99 also it is different. Okay, so no need, it is not needed actually, till 81 only needed. See the symbols of all multiples of 9, all are same, right? So whenever they do these things, okay, what they will do, in this multiples of 9 only, they will use uniform, same symbol, but in different trial, they will use different symbol, but this uniformity they will keep. Okay, so what will happen? Any person, if you take the number, if you do all this calculation, finally he will get a multiple of 9. Okay, in front of that multiples of 9, all the symbols are same, and that symbol will be displayed in this circle. That symbol will be displayed in this circle. You understand? That is what their trick. Okay? Now, let's play the game again once more so that you will understand. Okay? Let's play the game just once. Okay, coming to the game. Now, let us think about any number. Okay. Now, don't think about any number. You understood what is the logic, right? See all the multiples of 9 here. In front of 9, there is a smiley symbol, right? Okay, 9, 18, 27, 45, every number in front of every multiples of 9, you can see a smiley symbol. Okay, 100% sure. Now this ball is going to, this circle is going to show you that smiley symbol. Okay, because they know that. See how it happens. Now again, I am going to another try. See here in front of 9, there is one symbol, right? Okay, you can see that symbol in front of 9, 18, 27, 35, everywhere, 36 everywhere. You can see that symbol. Okay, so that same symbol will come here. See, just a second, see that. Okay, so this is a simple logic, understand? But if you don't have that idea, if you subtract that number, if you do all these calculations, okay, if you do all these calculation, finally the number that you are getting is a multiple of 9. If you don't know that, okay, you will really surprised by looking into this, and you will think that actually this game reads your mind. Okay, that's it. So I hope everyone understood and enjoyed this game. Just try by using the link which is given in the description box. Okay, you can see how it works. Friends, don't forget to subscribe and to click on bell icon to get such interesting videos. So see you all in next video with new interesting topic.